Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel from YouTube and welcome back to my page from Facebook. So in this video I'll be showing you how to generate your AI videos with pictures, how to make your pictures talk. You can use it and do AI movie or AI content with YouTube. Okay, using YouTube, the only app you need here is your chat gpt or Google Gemini, and then your YouTube. Okay, you can generate as much video as you want in a day as long as you have data. Okay, as long as you have data, you can generate as much video as you want. They don't charge you, but you must have data. Okay, follow me, let me show you with this screen record. It works perfectly. Okay, but yeah, I will start with chat gpt. Okay, and then I will go to Google Gemini to generate the image. Then I would go to YouTube to show you how to generate it in these few minutes. Let's go. If you're coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow our page, and drop your comment in the comment section. Like the video. Let's go. All right guys, so let's open our chat gpt here. Yeah, I've opened it. So I want to tell it what to do. I would like to use my voice to tell it what to do instead of typing, just to save time. Hi chat gpt, I want you to generate an image of a young lady sitting in front of a door feeling lonely. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it couldn't accept my voice because I was doing screen recording. Let me type it. I'm typing it. Make it face the camera. Don't forget to tell it to make it face the camera because it's going to be a dialogue. The image will talk. Make her face the camera. The camera for dialogue. So let's see what it will generate for us. It's creating the image. Let's see. Please, people should be faster. I don't want this video to be long. I don't know why they're wasting time. Let's see. Just few seconds. Let me pause this one now. Okay guys, so this is the image they have generated. Okay, if you want it to be a black woman, you must tell them. If you don't tell them, you might need a white woman, they will generate a black woman for you, so you must tell them. So the next thing we'll do is to tap open the image like this, and you save it here. The arrow that was pointing down, image saved. You see that on the screen. Now let's go back. It has saved it. You can use, if you don't want that one, if you don't want to use chat gpt, you can use Google Gemini. Okay, you can use Gemini, this one. Yeah, you can use Gemini. Maybe next time I'll teach you how to use this one. Let's go to YouTube. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so here now you open your YouTube app this way. Yeah, your YouTube app will open this way. Then you click this plus sign, the way you used to upload your video. Yeah, you go to shorts. When you go to shorts, you see that place I circled with grey something. You click on it, it will bring you to this interface. You click on photo to video. When you click on photo to video, it will bring you to your gallery. You select the picture you downloaded from ChatGPT. Is here. Now, what do you want this photo to do? If you cannot type, you want to save time, you just go to ChatGPT, use your voiceover. Okay, there are other things here. Well, to add your own prompt to this place, you see. Okay, I'll just tell them to let let this woman say this. Okay, I'll put a full stop and then I'll come under. This is what I want the woman to say now. I am tired of relationships. I'm tired of relationships. Men are scam. Men are scam. Full stop. You see this? I am tired of relationship. Men are scam. Then you put full stop. Make sure your prompt, as in make sure whatever you're typing there is not long, because when it's long, it will start saying nonsense. All AI apps does it, even Grok. If you put too much script for them to say, they will say the first few lines and then they will start saying rubbish. So to get it accurate, just type it short and generate it, in parts. Then you go to your editing app and edit it. So I'll click this arrow sign here. It's generating the video now. Let's see. It's generating the video. Just give it a few seconds. Let's go. So that's why I'm saying, that's why I told you earlier, you must have data. Okay, if you have data, yeah, you're good to go. If you don't have data, you cannot generate this. You don't pay them, but you must have data. Okay, yeah. So 99% almost ready. Let's see. I don't be fast. Be fast. It's almost ready. I don't know why. Okay, network. Yeah, my network is bad.
I am tired of relationships. Men are a scam.
Did you see that?
It is exhausting to keep trying when things never seem to work out the way you expect.
You see? They added their own.
I am tired of relationships. Men
They
are a
added their
scam.
own. I made it
It is
short.
exhausting to keep trying when things never seem to work out the way you expect.
Did you see that?
I am tired of relationships. Men are a scam.
Did you see that?
It is exhausting to keep trying when things never seem to work out the way you expect.
If you don't like
I am tired of
what
relationships. Men are a scam.
If you don't like what you got,
it
you
is
can click on
exhausting
try
to keep
again
trying when things never
and
seem
then
to
tell
work
them
out the way you expect.
the error you want them to correct.
I am
If you like
tired of
what you got,
relationships.
follow.
Men are a scam. It is
You
exhausting
click
to
that
keep
three
trying when
button up
things never
there.
seem to work out
Did you
the way
see
you
it?
expect.
These three button up here now.
I
You
am
click it
tired
and
of
it will bring
relationships.
share.
Men are a
Save to
scam.
device.
It is
Something
exhausting to
went
keep
wrong. You
trying
just
when
click
things
on
never
save
seem to work
to
out the way
device.
you expect.
Did you see that? It has
I am
saved
tired
to
of
my camera roll
relationships. Men
now.
are a scam.
It
It
has
is
saved to my camera
exhausting
roll.
to
Then
keep
me, I will
trying when things
continue
never
because I
seem
want
to
to
work
share it
out the way
as
you
short
expect.
in my YouTube channel.
I
I
am
want to share it
tired
as
of
short
relationships.
YouTube channel. Let's see what it will do.
I am
Did you see
tired
that?
of
If you
relationships.
don't want
Men
to
are a
share it as
scam.
short, you
It is
continue.
exhausting to keep
You go
trying when
back,
things never
bring in
seem to
another
work out the way
image,
you
type
expect.
in your
I am tired of
prompt,
relationships.
whatever
Men
you
are a
want the image to say,
scam.
and it will
It
save
is
it quick
exhausting to keep
for
trying
you.
when things never seem to.
You get that? So that's how to do it. If you want more clarification, let me know in the comment section. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and bye.